Hi, in this video we will see how to open Jupyter Notebook on your Windows computer. At first click on the start menu and then go to Anaconda prompt. So we need to open this. So I am going to click here and it will open the Anaconda prompt. On the Anaconda prompt is there, then we have to type Jupyter Notebook over here by typing Jupyter Jupyter, and there is a space and after that notebook. And once you completely type the Jupyter Notebook, just press enter key of your keyboard and then very shortly it will start opening the Jupyter Notebook. Once the Jupyter Notebook is opened, then you will see in your browser. If you have Chrome browser, it will open in the Chrome browser or some other browser, but you can also change. And this is a Jupyter Notebook window, and from here you can open the Jupyter file or you can create a Python file by pressing new and then choose Python 3, and after opening that you can start typing the Python command over there. So for this Jupyter, each row it is called cell. So if we want to print some message, then we can type some print function, and inside it we can put some string. So I'm going to type the print function, and inside it I'm typing on message like welcome, and once you type the command, I mean the expression, hold shift key and press enter key to execute the command, and it will execute the command. It will show you the output. So in this way you can start working on Jupyter after opening Jupyter. Okay, so this is one way you can open Jupyter. There is another way you can also open Jupyter. So I'm going to show you the other options to open the Jupyter. So I'm going to minimize everything, and now I'm going to show the other way to open Jupyter. At first click on the start menu and then type Anaconda and just open Anaconda Navigator. Just open it by clicking over there and it will open the Anaconda Navigator. It will take some time for opening Anaconda Navigator. Once it is open, then you can easily open Jupyter Notebook. Once Anaconda Navigator is open, then you will see there is a icon Jupyter Notebook. This is a square thing, and inside it there's a launch option. So once you click launch, then the Jupyter Notebook window will be open, but this time also it will open through the browser. So now it is opening a new session and it is creating another Jupyter Notebook session from where we can start building our Python script. Okay, so from here you can directly open the Python script, or you can click new to create a new Jupyter a new Python file using Jupyter, and then you can choose Python 3, and after opening that you can start typing or creating your Python script over here. It's the same way, and this is also called the cell. Okay, in this way you can easily open Jupyter Notebook in your Windows computer. I showed you two different ways. One is directly from command prompt, and that is directly from Anaconda Navigator. Hopefully by watching this video you are able to open Jupyter Notebook very easily, and if you face any difficulties, don't forget to put in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with others, and if you wish you can also subscribe to our channel to get more Python nice tutorials very soon. Thank you for watching.